So as you guys can see, for today's video, it is going to be another cut crease. I was thinking about food whenever I was doing this cut crease. I was thinking about like mint chocolate ice cream. And I was like, okay, what a perfect combination. But it did not come out like that. But I still like the look. So if you guys are interested in knowing how I came up with this look, stay tuned and keep on watching. For this look, I will be taking the Daisy Marquez palette. And I will be taking the shade Cocoa. And I'm using my favorite brush, as you guys know, the M562, and I'm just applying it all over my crease and just blending everything together. So I do want this look a little bit more intensified, so I will be taking the shade Matter and I'll just be applying it all over the brown. Once I have that blended, obviously I don't want my cut crease to look black. I want it to look more like a deeper, rich brown. So I'll be taking that shade Cocoa again and just applying it over that black. For my next shade, I will be taking my favorite shade, as you guys know, the shade Dulce, and that's just going to be my transitioning color, and I'll just be applying it all over my brow bone. Taking the shade Cocoa again, as you guys know, I've always said it, like in order for you guys to get like a really nice blend, you guys have to be going back and forth with the colors. So that's what I'm doing, because obviously it wasn't blended as good with the shade Dulce. So as you guys can see, I am going in softly and just doing circular motions to blend everything out really good. To cut my crease, I'm going in with the Morphe concealer in the shade 0. And then as you guys can see, I do go ahead and apply it all over my lid first. It's like kind of like a guideline for me, and it's been helping me out a lot. If you guys are having trouble cutting your crease, you guys should go ahead and try this. This really helps me. And then I go back to the top and just go little by little until I get that really sharp look. So going back in with the shade Cocoa, I'm using it on the outer corner and then in the inner corner. And for my center, I will be using the shade Daisy. It's a really beautiful color. To blend out the harsh lines, all I'm doing is doing patting motions back and forth. Okay, so I will be drawing my eyeliner with this concealer. It's from ColourPop. I told you guys last time it's really, really good. And it's only $6, guys. And I'm in the shade Light Medium. So once I have that, I will be taking the shade Dulce again and just be applying it at the very end. And then from there, I will be taking the shade Daisy again, and that will be going in the center. And then at the very front in the inner corner, I will be taking a white shade. For my waterline, I will be taking the Morphe concealer and then I will be blending it out. After that, I will be doing whatever I did on top to the bottom. So it'll be the brown and then the Daisy shade in the middle and then the brown again. For my inner corner, I will be using the shade Dream. It's such a beautiful color. And then for my lashes, I will be using the style Cher, I believe. I don't know how to say it. It's C-H-E-R, and they're from Bella Eyes Inc. You guys already know I don't even have to say what highlighter I'm using. So I'm just applying it on my cheekbones, and then I am using a little bit of mascara for my lower lash line. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys liked it. I know these videos have been really short, but I've just been getting to the point and I've been trying to explain everything. So if you guys enjoy these videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.